you're doing good. If not, I hope you do now. So I have a very special video for you all, and it will be about my favorite picks, recommendations, plus some tips and tricks of perfumes. So let's get into the video. So here is my first pick. This is Juicy Couture Eau de Perfume, and it's really gorgeous. It smells so great. Oh my god, still I'm sniffing this. And guys, let me tell you, you really need to have this one in your wardrobe or whatever, your dressing table. I really want you to have this. The reason is that you will get loads of compliments, loads of attention, and every head's turning your way. You want that? Get this, okay? And it lasts a lot longer. Literally, I remember I had this for like, I had to go to an event and I was wearing this one and it literally lasted for a week in my clothes. You can smell it. And if you keep your closet, you know, nicely, freshly locked up, it's all clean, it smells a lot longer, maybe more than a week. Gorgeous. And if you really want to smell killer, here's your Killer Queen by Katy Perry. Okay guys, this is the queen of the night, of the evening, whatever day or time it is. But I'd say it would be suitable if you use it at your evening or night event or in colder days. So the beautiful wild berries, bergamot, and plum. Oh my god, they all mixed together smell amazing. You will be the queen, Killer Queen at the night. I promise. I literally love the scent so much. I highly recommend. This is my second pick. Third pick is Elizabeth Arden, Fifth Avenue. And oh my god, guys, girls, sisters, let's say sisters. So sisters, do try this one as well. As you know, these all are my favorite picks, so I'm gonna say this for every perfume of mine, but yeah, you literally need this because I got loads of compliments while I was wearing this, and I was like, oh my god, thank you. What are you wearing? I was like, Fifth Avenue by Elizabeth Arden. Gosh, it smells amazing. Do you need anything, like literally smells like jasmine. Oh god, I'm still like literally into my la la land. Okay, the beautiful jasmine and exotic mandarin is a perfect combination, so you definitely need this beauty with you, or you know, it's a must-have. So guys, as I'm going through my perfumes, I'd like to tell you that I know not every perfume is like affordable, but I do have them with me, so don't worry, sis have got you covered. So you can try from the range which is affordable or expensive, whatever you like. You can afford, then do get these, okay? So the queen is here, all right? Who remembers this lady from a previous video? You do? Great. Okay, so this is by Givenchy Paris, and god, I'm dead. Like, I don't know. I think everyone should love this scent because I love it. And honestly, it's like so good. And by so good, I literally mean it. It's so good. This is indeed, my friends, my sisters, a feminine, floral scent. Do have it. Like, you must. If not, no problem. No big deal. But yeah, this is great. I recommend highly. For all the babes out there, here is their tease. It's my, like, every perfume I just showed is my favorite, but yep, this one is like my personal favorite. Oh, I'm so sorry, I can't control my reactions. I just love you, tease. Okay, this is just body mist, but if you can get the perfume, do get that as well with body mist and everything, just to smell teasy. Great. Okay, so I have this roll-on. Again, Victoria's Secret, Steel Stasho. Okay, I personally say I like Bombshell a lot. So the reason why it's in my favorite picks and recommendations list. But I tell you that they've got both, okay? It's like Bombshell, original, with other one, which is Seduction. I haven't used it much, actually. It's like, it's good, but the original is amazing. It's awesome sauce. So I definitely give these full stars. Must have. Here is the travel size of Irresistible, Very Irresistible by Givenchy Paris. And yes, it smells great. It's really, really good. Carry this with you in your clutch bag. Spreads around like, oh, and yeah, you're great to go. We're good to go. Good to go. With this little baby. So, my affordable babies, you can have this. This is Paris and More by Bath and Body Works. And guys, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't stop myself from spraying this. Oh, I love this. This is beautiful. It's a must-have. Highly recommend because, okay. Oh, I want to tell you why it's a must-have. First of all, yes, it's my favorite. God compliments. And second thing is that my aunt, she was literally like, what did you spray? I like to have this. And then, you know, she used it too. It's like a very favorite 10 of everyone. Literally, girls. Take this. Also, this is super affordable, so you can definitely have this with you. And honestly, from Bath and Body Works, I have a lot of it would be a whole different video, honestly, guys, because I literally love Bath and Body Works.
Whether it's their mist, their lotion, their shower gel, their everything.
Bath and Body Works, great. I love you. Bath and Body Works, they sponsor me. So for all my fruity and, you know, fruits lover and fruity girls out there, this is for you. I personally like fruity, floral, every kind of scent actually. Basically, any scent would do. But yes, this one is my go-to, my everyday, my favorite. I use a lot. Honestly, this is great. Okay, so this is affordable. This is by The Body Shop, strawberry. It has cold pressed strawberry with sugar cane essence and it smells great. Everyone loves this actually. I would say I usually smell like strawberries. And yes, great compliments I've gotten. So, yeah. Again, this is a body mist by The Body Shop. They do have their perfume of the same scent. You can buy whichever is, you know, in your budget to get that. But I would really want you to have this range with you because strawberries are great. They also have their other one, which is cranberry, and yes, that smells amazing as well. I don't have it, but I've sniffed it. So guys, it's not over yet because it's not just perfumes, it's oil perfume. Yeah, you heard that right. I just don't use perfumes, but I do use oil perfumes a lot. Other than mist, I like to use oil perfumes. So here is this little baby called Blush by Ajmal. These smell great. Okay, the reason why oil perfume is preferred is it lasts a lot longer and you don't have to, you know, spray or have a lot amount of it. Just a little bit would do the job. And oh, it's great. It smells amazing. It's pretty beautiful, gorgeous, whatever. Well, so good. Another one, which is my favorite, is by Ajmal as well. It's called Black Rose, but I couldn't find my bottle. I don't know. I really hope I have it because I don't remember running out of it. But yeah, it smells great. Black Rose is my favorite. Again, by Ajmal. It's so good. So yes, it's a definite recommendation. A highly recommended one. I'll link that below so that you can view these products. Alright, so some tips and tricks to make your scents last a lot longer are, first of all, this is a real basic one. Everyone knows that to keep you smelling fresh and to keep your perfumes last long, apply Vaseline on your hot spots. And by hot spots, I mean your wrist, your behind your ears, inner elbow, behind your knees, wherever your blood flows. So those are the hot spots. So this is a very, very basic and technique which everyone is like doing this. But what I have done to make my scents last a lot longer is that I sometimes Vaseline, but mostly I like to use olive oil to last them long. The reason for oil perfumes, why they last a lot longer, is they have oil instead of alcohol, and alcohol evaporates very quickly compared to the oil. Oil stays. So your perfume, your oil perfume stays a lot longer than your alcohol-based perfume. So for that, I like to use olive oil. Here is my oil bottle. You can see this gigantic bottle. All right. So yeah, apply a little bit. The reason why I'm using olive oil, not coconut oil, because coconut oil has a nice sweet smell to it. So you don't want smell. Like, yes, olive oil does smell a bit, but not. It's like negligible. So apply a little bit of olive oil, not a lot, just like literally minimal, onto your wrist, and then spray any of your favorite mist or perfume so that it lasts a lot longer. Another tip to have your perfume last a lot longer and have a beautiful smelling night, event, wherever you are, is the method of layering. Okay, so layering could be done by two methods. Is one, have the same scent of, like I have here very irresistible, and it's body lotion. You can do this, like they can go together, whether you have mist or perfume, anything, use that. Or what other thing you could do is that layer it with a similar smell so that it does not break your notes. All right, so by that you will last a lot longer. The best tip for having, the layering method, if you really want to do it, buy coffret for yourself, which are basically gift sets. It will have like anything containing the same smell, like perfumes, body lotion, and shower gel, anything like that. Similarly, I have coffret of the Body Shop Strawberry, which contains body butter of same scent, lip balm, hand cream, this mist, and shower gel. So that is what it is. So what we basically do is that you smell a lot, your perfumes last a lot longer than usual. So these were just a few tips and recommendations and my favorite picks. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do comment below your recommendations, your favorites. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to me if you haven't already. Till then, have a good day. Right now, wherever you are, stay amazing. Bye, guys. Sorry. Bye, guys.
When I feel low, the party's where I go.